My name's Shona. I'm originally from Torquay, but I'm doing my PhD at the University of Western Australia, focusing on the spatial ecology of pelagic sharks. And I'm on the DISCO expedition to deploy the BRUVs to the baited remote underwater video systems, which document the status of endangered, endemic and commercially important species around the overseas territories.
My name's Chris. I work at the Natural History Museum in London, and I work on a project called the Darwin Tree of Life project, where we're trying to whole genome sequence all species within the UK and Ireland. On Discovery, I'll be taking tissue samples from all the marine invertebrates and fish we find. Hopefully that will be used to sequence the whole genomes to unlock the genetic code of these species.
My name is Alice Prémont, and I'm working at the British Antarctic Survey. And on this ship, I will be an hydrographer, so I will look at the seabed. So the goal is to map the seabed so that the other scientists know which kind of fish they will find, and it will give information about seamounts or if there are interesting features on the seabed.
My name is Rory O'Loughlin. I work for the Agri-Food and Biosciences Institute in Northern Ireland, based in Belfast, and my speciality is seabed habitat mapping.
Hello, I'm Oliver Hogg. I'm a research scientist at CFAS, and I specialise in benthic ecology and marine habitat mapping. So for this expedition, that means I'm interested in seabed environments and the animals that live there.
My name is Emma de Vries. I work for the Marine Management Organisation. I'm a Senior Data Officer on the Blue Belt team, supporting the overseas territories, the compliance and enforcement of their marine protected areas. And on Discovery, I am going to be ground truthing some of our satellite surveillance work, and also we will be trialling new technologies to identify illegal fishing vessels in these remote areas.
So my name is Giulia LaBianca. I'm a PhD student at the University of Plymouth in the UK. I'm specialising in deep sea ecosystem services to better inform marine spatial planning.
The thing I'm most looking forward to is seeing what cool species we get on the BRUVs, particularly around the seamounts around St Helena, because we haven't surveyed there before, so it'll be really interesting to compare the diversity and abundance of species there compared to the seamounts in Ascension.
So this research expedition feels like it's been a long time coming, so just deploying scientific equipment for the first time will be a big event. As a benthic ecologist, I'm really interested in the camera systems that we're going to be deploying, so putting those down to 2,000 meters depth and seeing what lives in those kind of environments. And also, it's a really interdisciplinary expedition, so there's a really diverse group of scientists doing a diverse bunch of science, so it's going to be interesting to see some of that as well.
I am most looking forward to seeing some of the weird, amazing fish that come up from the deep sea.
So I'm looking forward to finding a new feature on the seabed. It might be super fun to see if there is a new volcano or something like this, or even something on the seafloor.
I'm most looking forward to seeing all the creatures we catch that I haven't seen before, particularly the crustaceans and the mollusks.
I'm looking forward to a few things. I'm looking forward to seeing some. Usually I only work in the Irish Sea and maybe around the coast of Ireland and the UK, so it'll be interesting to be in a more exotic part of the world where we might see some things that I'm not used to seeing.
So I'm really looking forward to explore those areas that no one has seen before. Hopefully we're going to find lots of coral reefs and all our kids who will work.